Today we have a 2008 Okuma Captain L470M with the 1250 bed length. Some of that noise you're going to hear is from work going on the roof. Now we're going to run the machine. You'll be able to hear that. This is the C-axis. Machine has live tooling, C-axis. That's a 15-inch chuck. We're going to run the live tool now. We have one live tool mounted. That is at 1200 RPM, 2000 RPM, 2800 RPM on the live tool. All right. We have a nice complement of both static and live holders that we'll photograph, and you can see in the photos on our website. That's the spindle at 250, 500, 750. That's 1,000. Go up a little more. All right, that's 1250, and now they're not doing anything on the roof, so hopefully you can hear better. It's very quiet. Okay.
Jog the axis.
Z is nice and quiet, as is X. Turret index. Now we're going to do tailstock. Quill. The tailstock body is a toe along, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
See up here on the screen.
Yep. Tool setter works. All right. So please be sure to check out the photos on the website for all the tool holders that we have with this machine. Thanks for watching.